Now the chapter number 1, chemical reaction and the equation. The chemical reaction in the daily life. Rusting of iron, digestion of the food, respiration, spoil of the milk in the summer season at high temperature. When we burn the coal in the air, at that time the carbon dioxide and heat is released. This is my chemical reaction. C plus O2 gives me CO2 plus heat. Now, what is the mean by chemical equation? We can express the chemical reaction in the symbolical form. The symbolical representation of the chemical reaction is known as the chemical equation. Here, when we burn the coal, now the coal means the carbon and the symbolical form is the C. Now in the presence of the oxygen means O2 is there, and now which gives me carbon dioxide means CO2 and heat is released. So finally we can say the symbolically representation of the chemical reaction is known as the chemical equation. Now in this formula, in the left hand side there are the reactants. Now the arrow is there, and now which we can say it is gives me, and now the right side is the products. The substance which takes part into the chemical reaction are known as the reactants, and the substance which are produced after the chemical reaction are known as the product. Means the reactants then gives me, or we can say the arrow, and the products are there. Second number, 2H2 plus O2 gives me 2H2O. Here H2 and the O2 we can say the reactants, and H2O is the product. Now there are main three physical state. First of all the solid, if we can represent by S, liquid L, and the gas G. Again we can say one is the more physical state, and that is the aqueous solution. Means what? We can make the solution by the water and we are adding the salt. So it is known as the aqueous solution of the salt. Some reaction contain the proper temperature or the pressure or in the presence of the some particular catalysts. We can represent this temperature or the pressure or the catalyst in upper side or the lower side of the arrow, and it is a perfect representation. With the reference of the heat, there are two parts of the chemical reaction. It is an exothermic reaction, and second number is the endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means what? The reaction in which the heat is released is known as the exothermic reaction. The burning of the coal is the best example of the exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, the reaction in which the heat is absorbed, is known as the endothermic reaction. The example is there. The photosynthesis process is the best example of the endothermic reaction. Now the changes during the chemical reaction. First one, there is a change in the physical state, means solid to liquid or liquid to gas or gas to liquid or liquid to solid. Second number, change in the temperature. Third number, the liberation of the gas. And fourth number, the change in the color. Now let we start the different types of the chemical reaction. The types are as follow. First number, combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Third number, displacement reaction oblique double displacement reaction. And fourth number, oxidation oblique reduction. And the next is the redox reaction, the combination of the oxidation and the reduction. Now let me start the first one, combination reaction. the chemical reaction in which the two or more than two reactants are combined to form a single product is known as the combination reaction. Now the example is there, CaO plus H2O gives me CaOH twice. Means when the quicklime is added with the water, then we get the slack line. Second number, H2 plus O2 gives me H2O. When the dihydrogen gas and the dioxygen gas is combined, at that time we get the H2O, means water. Second number, decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction is reverse of the combination reaction. Here two or more than two products are obtained from the single reactants is known as the decomposition reaction. Example is there, CaCO3 gives me heat CaO plus CO2. When we heat the limestone at the proper temperature, it get decomposed and we have the CaO, means the quicklime, and the carbon dioxide gas is released. Second number, H2O, when we pass the electric current through the water, then we get the hydrogen and the oxygen gas.